Hello, everybody. A very good morning to one and all. My name is Ankit Sharma, and I welcome all of you at your favorite channel, the one and only Exam पर आपका अपना घर. My dear students, in today's session, the topic that we are going to focus is order and ranking. Okay, everybody? So the topic for today, the agenda for today, whatever name you can give, it is order and ranking, Kram Nirdharan. Okay, part 1. So the weightage of this particular topic, my dear students, very important. The weightage of this particular topic in the examination is up to 3 questions. Up to 3 questions. Up to 3 means that the upper limit is 3. So the upper limit for such kind of questions in your examination is 3 questions. And that's very important. That's really important. My dear students, let me be very clear. Let me be very clear. If we talk about all of this, this is a topic which does not require any theory. When I discussed alphabet test, when I discussed alphanumeric series, when I discussed coding, decoding, direction and distance, blood relation, some or the more bit of theory was involved, isn't it? Theory was there. But in this particular topic, my dear students, there is no theory. All right, everybody, there is no theory. Yes or no? Yes or no? Quickly tell me, guys. Yes or no? There is no theory involved. Am I audible? Am I audible, guys? आवाज आ रही है? Am I audible? Fine. Quickly confirm it. Fine. Am I audible? Yes or no? Okay, fine. Now, my dear students, order and ranking we would be covering in 2 parts. Today, we are going to do the part 1, the easy level questions. Okay. Today, we are going to do the part 1 easy level questions. Towards the end, we will be able to touch. Towards the end, we would be able to touch some of the moderate level questions. But in the very next class, that is tomorrow. In the very next class, that is tomorrow, we are going to solve moderate to difficult questions. We are going to solve moderate to difficult questions. All right, everyone. Fine. Now moving ahead. Guys. Now see, as I said, order and ranking has no theory, no rule, no law, no prior knowledge required. You just have to read the things and solve the things. That's it. Read the things, solve the things. And we will learn more by practicing more. So the more you practice this topic, the more you would be able to learn this topic. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. See, that is not a concern. The money is not a concern, Akif. We will bring that also. The classes of English, quant and reasoning are being run almost daily, and that too topic wise. So I don't think that there is need any for you to anything to pay for that. Okay, YouTube classes are free of cost. Obviously, we are planning to bring a batch also in pure English at our application, but not as of today. Okay. Next, my dear students, have a look at the thought of the day. The thought of the day is, every day is another chance to change your life. What has gone is gone. That is a matter of the past. I should repeat, what is gone is gone. That is a matter of the past. What is today in our hand, that is what is important. So use the experiences from the past in the present. Use the experiences, the lessons, the formulas which you have understood from the past in your present to have a brighter future. All right, everybody. And with these words, we would be moving ahead. Here is the very first question, my dear students, the very first question. Okay, and your time starts now. Quickly, everyone. Okay, please solve this one. Hurry up. Solve this one. No time foundation, just solve this. Quickly, everyone. Quickly. Hurry up. Quickly, everyone, come on. So now the question is telling, see, these are very simple questions. Okay, the question is telling A gets more marks than B but less than C. A gets more marks than B but less than C. D gets less marks than E but more than A. D gets less marks than E but more than A. So now read the things very carefully. Read the things very carefully. A gets more marks than B but less than C. D gets less marks than E but more than A. If C gets less than D, if C gets less than D, so if C gets less than D, C will be somewhere over here. C will be somewhere over here. And after C, A and B is to be formed over here. So this is the final structure which you will be seeing. So who gets the highest marks? Who gets the highest marks? It's E, which is given in option number C. Okay, everybody, it is given in option number C. Getting it? Yes or no? Yes or no? Solve the next one. Okay, solve it. 1 minute time. It's 11:06 till 11:07. Hurry up. Quickly, everybody. Okay. Now, Aman, Rohit, Suresh, Danish and Alok are arranged in descending order of the weight from top to bottom. Descending order of the weight from top to bottom means the heaviest person is at the top and the person who is the lightest in weight is at the bottom. Okay, fine. And how many people are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5 people are there. Okay, everybody? 5 people are there. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So now Aman, Rohit, Suresh, Danish and Alok are arranged in descending order of the weight from top to bottom. And now here it is telling Aman is third from the top. Aman is third from the top. Now Alok is between Danish and Aman. Danish is not at the top. Okay, Alok is between Danish and Aman. And why I have kept it in this way? Because if you keep Alok is between Danish and Aman, but Danish is not at the top. So that is the problem. That is the problem. So we are getting the bottom 3 positions. We are getting the bottom 3 positions, but top 2 positions are not covered. So therefore, who is at the top? There is still a doubt about it. There is a doubt between Suresh and Rohit. There is a doubt between Suresh and Rohit, and therefore the right answer is cannot be determined. The right answer is cannot be determined. I hope all of you are getting this. Okay, fine. Next one. Okay, solve this. Solve this. Quickly, everyone. Hurry up. Rakesh is 6 ranks ahead of Tanveer in a class of 42 students. Okay, Rakesh is 6 ranks ahead of Tanvir in a class of 42 students. So now suppose this is Tanvir. This is Tanvir, okay? And Rakesh is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 ranks ahead. So that means there are 5 people between them. There are 5. See, what is the meaning of ahead? What is the meaning of ahead? This is 1 rank ahead, 2 rank ahead, 3 rank ahead, 4 rank ahead, 5 rank ahead and 6 rank ahead. Alright everyone, fine. So my dear students, the point basically over here is that Rakesh, just hold on. So Rakesh is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 ranks ahead of Tanvir in a class of 42 students. If Tanvir's rank is 18th from the last, if Tanvir's rank is 18th from the last, then what is Rakesh's rank from the start? What is Rakesh's rank from the start? So Rakesh's rank from the start. Now just tell me, if Tanvir is 18th from the end, if Tanvir is 18th from the end, this is 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 and 24. This is 24th. This is 24th. If this is 24th, how many people are above Rakesh? How many people are above Rakesh? 42 minus 24, 18. Okay, 42 minus 24, 18. And therefore Rakesh's rank from the top is 19th. Rakesh's rank from the top is 19th. Answer is option number C, 19th. Getting it? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Come on, okay? Getting it? Next. This question, verbally you can solve this. Okay, 10-second question, not at all more than that. 10-second question. Okay, fine. If the position of one person from both the end is known, if the position of any person from both the end is known, now both the end can be top end and bottom end, or it can be the left hand and right hand. So if the position of any person from both the end, be it top bottom end, be it left right hand, from both the end is known, we add the two positions. We add the two positions and then subtract one. Then subtract 1 to take care of double counting or over counting. So now, my dear students, if a man is at 14th in a row from both sides, now let us take that the row is horizontal, this is the left hand, this is the right hand. And now, my dear students, if a man is at 14th position, this is a man, this man is at 14th position from both the ends of the row. So if a man is at 14th position from both the ends of the row and number of persons is asked, then the best way is to just add the two positions. Till here it is 14th and till here it is 14th. So 14 plus 14 is 28. But then we cannot count one person twice. We cannot count one person twice. So we subtract 1 to take care of double counting, and therefore the right answer is option number C, 27. Okay. Okay, we cannot count one person twice, that it is 14th from here also and 14th from here also. So due to that we subtract 1 to take care of double counting, and the answer is 27. Next, quickly solve this one. Comparison of height. Quickly. Now see, among five friends having different height, tallest person at the top, shortest at the bottom, tallest at the top, shortest at the bottom. You can do reverse also. So among five friends having different height, M is taller than K, M is taller than K, but not than Y. My dear students, among five friends having different weights, M is taller than K, but not than Y means shorter than Y. H is taller than Y. See, let me draw this over here. Y, M, K. The same thing. The same thing I have drawn over here. Okay. Now, let me just read it again. Among five friends having different height, M is taller than K, but not than Y means shorter than Y. H is taller than Y. H is taller than Y, but not than A means shorter than A. If they stand in increasing order of the height, increasing order means first K, then M, then Y, then H, then A. Okay, so who will be first? The one who will be first is K. The one who will be first is K. And therefore the right answer is option number A, that is K. Getting it? So this is a very, very simple topic. In fact, the entire SSC reasoning is very, very simple. Okay, here we go. Please solve this. Hurry up. Quickly, everyone. See. Now here how many persons are there? P, Q, R, S, T, U, 6 persons. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 persons are there. Okay. 6 persons are there. So now the question is telling among 6 persons. Okay, the names have been given. R is taller than only P and U. R is taller than only P and U means they are first of all reversible and R is over here. R is taller than only P and U means it is shorter than the others. Next, S is shorter than only T and Q. S is shorter than only and T and Q means S is taller than the others. But now even these are interchangeable. If each one of them has having different height, then who among them will be third from the top? Who among them will be third from the top? See, third from the top and fourth from the top are fixed. Third from the top and fourth from the top is fixed. Third from the top is S. Answer is option number A, that is S. All right, everybody, getting it or not? Yes or no? Yes or no, my dear students? Please come on, tell me. Okay, okay, fine, fine. Now the next question. Quickly solve this. See, 5 men A to E, the names have been given, they are reading a newspaper. Okay, so 5 men. Okay, they read the newspaper. After reading it, they pass it to the next person. Then the next person reads the newspaper, and after reading it, passes it to the next person. Okay, fine, everyone. Now, 5 men A, B, C, D, and E read a newspaper. Okay, the one who reads it first, gives it to C. The one who reads last, has taken it from A. E was not the first or last to read. Not first or last to read. Okay, fine. There were two readers between B and A. Now there were two readers between B and A. So B will be over here. So now who is left out? A, B, C, D is left out. D. Find the person who reads the newspaper last. It's wrong. See, it's option number C, that is D. Okay, everyone? Getting it or not? My dear students? See, we are very much correct over here. The question is telling over here that 5 men A, B, C, D, and E, they read a newspaper. The one who reads it first gives it to C. The one who reads last had taken it from A. E was not the first or last to read the newspapers over here. Okay. There are two readers between B and A. Fine. Find the person who reads the newspaper last. It's D. Okay. Fine, everybody. Fine. Yes or no? And therefore the right answer is option number C, that is D. Next. Solve this one. Hurry up. Yes, hurry up, everyone. Yes or no? Quickly. Tallest person will be at the top and shortest person will be at the bottom. So now the question over here is telling Mohan is taller than Rohan. Mohan is taller than Rohan but shorter than Farhan. Okay. Mohan is taller than Rohan but shorter than Farhan. Now Kanan is shorter than Mohan but taller than Rohan. Kanan is shorter than Mohan but taller than Rohan. Shankar is taller than Rohan and Farhan. Okay. Shankar is taller than Rohan and Farhan. Okay. Shankar is taller than Rohan and Farhan. Who among them is the tallest? Obviously, answer option number C. Shankar is the tallest. Okay. So read the lines. Everything is very much clear. So Mohan is taller than Rohan but shorter than Farhan. See, Mohan is taller than Rohan but shorter than Farhan. Kanan is shorter than Mohan but taller than Rohan. Shankar is taller than Rohan and Farhan. Okay, so the tallest person is known, the shortest person is known, everything is clear. Next question. Please solve this. Please solve this, guys, quickly. Quickly, everybody, hurry up. Now see, my dear students, Preetham got more marks than Krishna. Preetham got more marks than Krishna. Okay, so now let us do like this. Preetham gets more marks than Krishna. Krishna who gets less marks than Anuj. Okay, now see, this is the problem. See what it is telling you. It is telling you very specifically, my dear students, that Preetham got more marks than Krishna, and Krishna, see, whenever who comes, it refers to the just before person. Krishna who gets less marks than Anuj. Now Krishna gets less marks than Anuj can be here. Krishna gets less marks than Anuj can be here. But here it is clearly telling Anuj gets less than Preetham. Now since it is clearly telling that Anuj gets less than Preetham, it is in this manner. Fine. Next. Rishi got less marks than Krishna. Rishi got less marks than Krishna, but more marks than Khushbu. Okay? Two people's names start with K. Okay? Now, my dear students, who got second highest marks? The one who got second highest marks is A, Anuj. It's A, Anuj. I hope it is very clear. Fine, everyone. Fine. Next. Time starts. Quickly, everyone. Come on, guys. If you all are enjoying the session, please like the session, please share the session, subscribe to the channel, okay? And now in a row of 40 girls. Now see, my dear students, a row is there. This is the right end, this is the left end, okay? Now it is telling you that in a row of 40 girls, how many girls? 40 girls. P is fifth from the right end. This is P, and P is fifth from the right end. In a row of 40 girls, P is fifth from the right end, and Q is 15th from the left. Q is 15th from the left. Q is 15th from the left. How many girls are between P and Q? How many girls are between P and Q? Okay, now just tell me, it's very simple question. So between number of girls in this region, in between, is equal to total girls 40 minus till here are 15 plus till here are 5. So basically 40 minus 28 is 20, and that's the right answer. Answer is option number C, that is 20. All right, everyone. Getting it, yes or no? Yes or no? Okay. Moving ahead. Solve this one. Better question. Take time till 11:31 and solve this. Okay, now listen to me very carefully. Listen to me very carefully. It's very, very important. Okay. So in a row of boys, please understand, whenever questions of interchange comes, whenever the problems related to interchange of position comes in the exam, then two persons are given. One is XY, another it can be anything. Okay. Now position of both of them before interchange would be given, and position of any one of them after interchange will be given. Okay, so now if I further explore the things over here, it is clearly mentioned in a row of boys, if X who is 13th from the right end and Y who is 20th from the left end interchange their position. Okay, X becomes 35. X becomes 35 from the right end. Now see, this is a point to be understood. This is a point to be understood. In problems related to interchange, in such problems where two persons are interchanging their positions, I should repeat on record, in such questions where two persons are interchanging their positions. If so, what happens over here? Position of both the persons are given before interchange. BI means before interchange. Position of one is given from the left end, other one is positioned from the right end. But after the interchange, position of any one of them is only given. After the interchange, position of only one of them is given, and it is given from the same end. It is given from the same end from which it was given earlier. So earlier also right end, so now also right end. And if this position is increasing, if it is increasing, from 13 it increases, it becomes 14, 15, 16, anything. So then it is a non-overlapping case. Then it is a non-overlapping case. Okay, non-overlapping case. And now if it decreases, it becomes 12, 11, 10, 9, etc. So that means if it decreases, it becomes overlapping case. And now what is non-overlapping and overlapping? Let us discuss. Non-overlapping case means something like this. The positions are not overlapping, and here overlapping case means something like this. It means something like this, that the things are overlapping, that the things are overlapping. All right, everyone, fine. Here the things are not overlapping, and here the things are overlapping. Okay, everyone, getting? So now here position is increasing, so it is a non-overlapping case. Okay, this is the right end, this is the left end. X is 13th from the right. This is X. X is 13th from the right. This is Y. Y. And Y is 20th from the left. But now when they interchange their positions, means X comes over here and Y comes over here. This is new position. When they interchange their positions, then X becomes 35 from the right. X becomes 35 from the right. Okay. Now here, two kind of questions can be asked. Here two kind of questions can be asked. Number one, what is the total number of persons? So number one, the number of total persons. That is what is being asked over here. Okay, so very simple. See, this position is fixed, on this persons are changing, but the position is fixed. The same position is 20th from the left, the same position is 35 from the right, the same position is 20th from the left, the same position is 35 from the right. So just add the two positions, you will get 55. But then subtract one to take care of double counting. I cannot count one position twice, that it is 20th from left also, then 35 from right also. So right answer is option C, 54. So as far as this question is concerned, answer is option number C, 54. But now what can be the other question? The other question can be number of persons in this region or number of boys in this region. So even that is very simple. 20 plus 13, 33. 20 plus 13, 33. Okay, so total persons 54 we have got. If you subtract 33, what you are going to get? 21. Okay, fine. Wait, just wait a second. Okay, getting it? Getting it? Fine, to 21 persons. So 20 plus 21, 41, 20 till here, 20 till here, 20 plus 21 in this region, plus 13 till here. The moment you add them, you again get 54. All right, so these are the only two kind of problems which can be asked in such kind of questions. Okay, under both overlapping and non-overlapping, total number of persons and number of persons between them. Here total number of persons was asked, so 54 is the answer. If number of persons between them will be asked, it would be 21. Okay, everyone, fine, fine. Okay, next, solve this one. Okay, now see, Ram is 3 ranks ahead of Shyam. Shyam who ranks 10th in a class of 30 students. So in a class of 30 students, Shyam ranks 10th. Shyam ranks 10th. So I will repeat. Ram is 3 ranks ahead of Shyam. Shyam who ranks 10th in the class of 30 students, means after this also 20 students are there. So 10 till here, then plus 20. 10 till here, then plus 20, which will give you total 30. And Ram is 3 ranks ahead. Ram is 3 ranks ahead. 1 rank ahead, 2 rank ahead, 3 rank ahead. So this is Ram. 1 rank ahead, 2 rank ahead, and 3 rank ahead. Getting it? Getting it? So this is Ram. Ram who ranks 3 ranks ahead. Now what is Ram's rank from the last? Ram's rank from the last is very easy. See, 20 persons are below this person Shyam. 20 persons are below this person Shyam. So Shyam's rank is 21st. Shyam's rank is 21st because 20 persons are below him. So Shyam's rank is 21st. So this is 22nd, 23rd and 24. It is 24. Answer is option number B, 24. Getting it or not, everyone? Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay. Solve this one. Solve this one. Okay. Solve this one, guys. Come on, try and solve this. Quickly, everyone. Okay, now see, my dear students. Now, I just now discussed such kind of question a while before, that whenever interchange kind of problems comes in the examination, whenever interchange kind of problems come in the exams, then same thing will happen. Interchange between two persons I'm talking about. One person is Amir and the other one is Abhay. Okay. Position of both of them before interchange is given. Position of one of them after interchange is given. Okay, now see. Here it is clearly mentioned. Here it is clearly mentioned. Okay. What is clearly mentioned? Amir is 10th from the left. Amir is 10th from the left. And Abhay is 24th. Abhay is 24th from the right. If they interchange their position, Amir becomes 20th from the left. If they interchange their position, Amir becomes 20th from the left. So my dear students, this is what I mentioned. Whenever the problems or questions of interchanges between two persons comes in the examination, two persons are given, position of one from the left hand is given, position of another one from the right hand is given, and after interchange, position of only one of them. After interchange, position of only one of them is given, and it is given from the same end from which it was given earlier. And if the position is found to increase, like here it is increasing, from 10 it is increasing, then it is non-overlapping case. Then it is non-overlapping case. What is the meaning of non-overlapping case? A case like this. A case like this. Okay, a case like this, where some of the place is left empty. But if the position found to be decreasing, from 10 it is down, going down 9, 8, 7, anything, then it is overlapping case. Overlapping case means like this. where some positions are overlapping. Okay, fine. Now let us solve this. Since here the position is increasing, it is non-overlapping case. This is the left end, this is the right end. Amir's position 10th from the left. Amir's position 10th from the left. Abhay's position. This is Abhay. Position 24th from the right. This is Amir. Position 10th from the left, Abhay 24th from the right. And now they decided to interchange places. Now when they decided to interchange places, now what happens? Abhay comes over here, new position of Abhay. Amir comes over here, new position of Amir. And then Abhay is 20th from the left. Sorry, Amir is 20th from the left. Amir is 20th from the left. Okay. So now again two kind of questions can be framed over here. Two kind of questions can be framed. Number one, what is the total number of persons? Total number of persons is very simple. See this position, it is 24th from the right also, and the same position is 20th from the left also. So just add them, 44. But we cannot count one position twice. Okay, it is not possible that I count this as 24th from the right also, and also I counted 20th from the left. I cannot count it twice, so I will subtract one, and this is the total number of persons in the row, which is option C, 43. But now question can also be there, how many persons are in between them? So total persons 43 minus till here is 10, okay, and till here is 24. So 43 minus 34, which is 9. Okay, so let's just see 24 plus 10, 34. 24 plus 10, 34. So 9 more persons are required in the middle to bring the sum 43. So in that case, number of persons between them, if asked, would be 9. Okay, everybody, it would be 9. Next question. Quickly, everyone. Hurry up. Quickly. Quickly, everyone. Okay, now see, my dear students, how to approach this. See, I have again said, I am again telling, whenever questions of interchange comes, okay, what is happening? Two persons are given, Matt and Jill. Two persons are given, Matt and Jill. Their positions before interchange and after interchange is given. Their positions before interchange and after interchange is given. Okay, now it is clearly mentioned Matt and Jill are in a row of people. Matt is 18th from the left. Matt is 18th from the left, and Jill is 24th from the right. Okay, if they interchange their places, Matt becomes 13th from the left. If they interchange their places, Matt becomes 13th from the left. But now see, I have said again and again, I am repeating it for the third time in today's class. Whenever questions of interchange is there between two people, position of name of both the persons are given. Position of one of them is from the left end, another of them is from the right end, and it is from the same end from which it was given earlier. Okay. If the position is now decreasing, so it is an overlapping case. The position is decreasing, so it is an overlapping case. All right. So now this is the right end and this is the left end. And now you all are well aware that Matt is 18th from the left. Okay. See, Matt is 18th from the left. Matt is 18th from the left. Jill is 24th from the right. Jill is 24th from the right. And now, my dear students, after interchange, what will happen? Matt will be coming over here and Jill will be coming over here. After interchange, Matt becomes 13th from the left. After interchange, Matt becomes 13th from the left. Okay? Matt becomes 13th from the left. Again, the same kind of questions can be asked. Total number of persons and number of persons between them. Total number of persons and number of persons between them. Here what is being asked? Here it is asking total number of persons. So if total number of persons they are asking, so how you will do? See, the same position is 24th from the right and the same position is 13th from the left. So when you add them, you will get 37. But you cannot count one position twice. It is not correct to count this as 24th from the right also and 13th from the left also. So we subtract 1 and get 36 as the total number of persons. 36 as the total number of persons. And this is the right answer. This is the right answer. Okay. And now if someone asks you, how many persons are in between them? How many persons are in between them? So just add 18 plus 24. Okay, what you are getting? 42. 42. Okay. So according to our counting, total persons are 36. But here we are getting 42. So that means we have counted some person in excess. We have counted some person in excess. And how many persons we have counted in excess? See, obviously 6 are there. 6 persons is the difference between them. Okay, so now just understand. Just understand. When I counted this as 18th, I already included this. And I counted everyone between them. And when I now counted this as, again from here, please understand, when I counted this as 18th, I included this, and I included this. When I counted this as 24th, I again included this, and this. So I am counting these two persons twice. Okay, so 2 is subtracted. The difference between them is 6. So 2 is subtracted, these two persons, and number of persons between them 4 is also there. 4 is also there. So 4 persons are in between them. 4 persons are in between them. Okay, 4 persons are in between them, and those 4 persons are being counted again and again. Those 4 persons are being counted again and again, along with 1 and 2, these 2 persons. So number of persons between them is 6. I hope it is very clear. Okay, fine everybody. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Quickly. Fine. And now, my dear students, this will be your home exercise. This will be your home exercise. You would be solving it. Okay. This would be your home exercise. You will be solving it and answering it under the comment box. And I promise, my dear students, I promise to respond to all the comments over there. So just write the answer key as the homework. And with these words, we come to an end of the session. I hope you all really enjoyed the session. I hope you all really loved the session. Till we meet again, bye-bye, take care. My dear students, the admit card of IBPS, RRB and clerk are already out for banking people. Apart from that, for your examination, again many updates are there. Okay, you have seen the shorts at our examples channel. You will be seeing that today in your channel also. Many updates are there, which short video will be there by Sanjay sir, by Shashank sir. Wait for that time. Thank you everybody. The time is there to study. Prepare well. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.